Hello, my love. So today we are going to do our first Snackable tutorial, which is all about creating a Vision OS glass texture. This should take under 2 minutes, and if you like this kind of content, let me know with a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create a brand new scene in Bezel, and then we're going to head over to Figma. Once I'm in the Figma community, I'm going to type in Apple, I'm going to go to Vision OS, and I'm going to open in Figma. So then I'm going to go all the way down to templates, and I want to grab this panel right here. Now this panel is made up of 3 objects. It has the footer, it has the back, and it has the title. So what I'm going to do right now is quickly compose this by right-clicking the entire panel, copy link, opening up Bezel, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to click this Y on the view cube, and I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to grab every one of these objects and composite them on top of each other. Sweet. Now that I have all this composited, let me bring it back up. Next, I'm going to go to the background of this object. So that's going to be the back as I labeled it. I am then going to go to unlit material, and I'm going to change this to just a regular standard material, and I'm going to remove the back. I'm then going to round the edges as I desire. So something like that. And then I am going to go to my standard material. I'm going to go to standard material. I'm going to go to physical, go down, advanced effect, glass, and I'm going to click off this object, and I'm going to go to my HDR lighting scene. I have uploaded a home, so I'm just going to go to here to show environment. And as you see right now, we're starting to get that glass effect, but we want to make this a little bit more blurry, so I'm going to go back to my back. I am then going to open up my physical material and change the roughness, and then I may change the color to something dark. And there we go, we have this beautiful glass material made in under 2 minutes in Bezel, and it's super rad. Now, if you like this kind of content, let me know with a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Until next time, everyone, plus minus.